If you've been online lately, you've seen them. LABUBU dolls are everywhere. They've hijacked TikTok, filled Instagram feeds, and sparked a global collecting craze. LABUBU isn't just a toy, it's a viral phenomenon in 2025, and everyone wants one. These quirky, big-eared monsters are part cute, part weird, and totally addictive. People aren't stopping at one. They're building entire LABUBU armies, proudly displaying them like art. The trend exploded overnight. LABUBU has stolen the spotlight from every other collectible. Teens, adults, everyone is hooked by its universal, cross-generational appeal. It's more than a fad, it's a global conversation starter and a symbol of fun. The hype is real, and the energy is infectious. Whether you're a collector or just curious, the LABUBU community welcomes you. Don't miss out. This is the collectible moment of 2025. So what is LABUBU? Imagine a mischievous monster rabbit with big eyes, a toothy grin, and floppy ears. It's the perfect mix of cute and odd, familiar yet totally unique. Created by Pop Mart, LABUBU stars in the Monsters Big Energy series, each doll dressed in a different energetic persona. From pirates to witches to rare golden variants, every LABUBU is packed with personality and detail. These aren't flimsy toys, they're mini sculptures, vibrant and well-made. Displaying one instantly adds color and character to any space. LABUBU stands out in a world of generic cuteness by being confidently weird. It's a playful, rebellious spirit that resonates with collectors everywhere. LABUBU reminds us to embrace what makes us unique, even if it's a little monstrous. What makes collecting LABUBU truly addictive? The blind box. Each doll comes sealed, so you never know which character you'll get until you open it. The anticipation and surprise turn every purchase into an event. Will you score your favorite, or maybe the ultra-rare secret figure? The thrill keeps collectors coming back, and trading duplicates builds a vibrant community. Social media is full of unboxing moments and trades, making collecting interactive and fun. It's nostalgia, excitement, and satisfaction all in one affordable package. Pop Mart has perfected the art of surprise for a new generation. LABUBU isn't just a local hit, it's a global sensation. In Japan, it's embraced by kawaii culture. In the US, it's a pop art icon thanks to TikTok and YouTube. American fans love the designer toy vibe and the thrill of the blind box. In India, LABUBU's affordable price and quirky appeal have made it the go-to gift for all ages. The surprise element adds a layer of fun that resonates everywhere. LABUBU's universal charm proves that creativity and community know no borders. Whether you're in Tokyo, New York, or Mumbai, the joy of discovering a LABUBU is the same. This little monster is uniting collectors worldwide. What sets LABUBU apart? It's more than a toy. It's a tiny work of art. Each figure is crafted with detail and personality, designed to brighten any space. The blind box surprise makes every LABUBU feel like a discovery, not just a purchase. That thrill connects people of all ages, making collecting irresistible. In India, LABUBU is an affordable treat or a perfect trendy gift. It's unique, thoughtful, and always brings a smile. If you're searching for a fun, memorable present, LABUBU is the answer. Don't just watch the trend, join in, start your collection, gift a surprise, and experience the joy for yourself. LABUBU is more than a viral sensation. It's a little piece of happiness you can hold. Ready to join the LABUBU craze? Check the link in the description to grab your trending LABUBU doll for only $699. Don't miss out.